My name is Yang Su, a teaching assistant in the University of Adelaide. This is my CS50P final project. In this video, I will show you LabMan, a Python-based laboratory equipment measurement system. The reason why I created this project is because myself is in charge of a small laboratory. Students doing research project can borrow equipment from the lab and return at the end of the semester. For years, we have been using this paper notepad to track equipment borrow history. However, this is very difficult to use. Sometimes students forget to write down key information such as the student number and the stuff they borrow from the lab. Or the handwriting is scribbled. I want to introduce my revolutionary solution, the LabMan. So let's switch to VS Code. And here is the main interface of LabMan. With LabMan, I can launch new equipment borrow record. Let me show you. Press 1, and then enter the course name, Mobile Wireless Systems, year 2023, semester 1, and the group name. So let's say supervisor. Put my name in. Okay, that's it. Let's assume I'm borrowing this FPGA development board. With LabMan, you can send a notification. Let's put my email. The notification email should arrive in few seconds. Here, as you can see, the notification has arrived in my inbox, which contains information of the equipment I have borrowed. I'm using SQLite to store all information locally. As you can see, the number 5 is the entry I have just created. I can also update existing record. Here I can search by any keyword. Let's use FPGA. There's only one entry matched my search, which is number 5. If I want to update the information in this entry, I need to retype the reference number in case of operation by mistake. There are 4 fields I can update. Let's assume myself is leaving the university. I need to hand over this project to my friend. Finally, I can again send a notification to myself or my friend. As you can see, notification updated the record. At the end of the semester, when students return the equipment, we can use this number 3 to sign off. Thanks for watching. If you got any further question, leave comment below this video.